Hi, good day. This is Oliver Kalumpang of Philippines. First thing, I'm going to share a quote from Virgil. I say and I quote, Fortune sides with him who dares. I dare you, be one of us. And together, let us change the world. What is MMM? MMM is an option for a better change, a community of helpers and providers, a way to free us from being slaves. MMM founder. It is founded by Sergei Mavrudy, a Russian born in Moscow in the year 1955. He graduated in the year 1978 with the degree of Electronic Engineering at Moscow Institute of Electronic Engineering at the Department of Applied Mathematics with, with the specialization Artificial Intelligence. He took part in the development of the first operating system as a programmer. He was the deputy of the Russian parliament. Are you a bank depositor? Do you have any worry about your money in the bank? How much is the yearly interest of your money if you will just keep it there? If your answer is yes, then MMM is the right option because MMM is such a money box, one common box for everybody. The money box where millions of people keep their funds. Do you need money? Open and take it. As much as you need. That's it. A sort of global mutual aid fund. Today, you have help. Tomorrow, you will be helped. This is the point of the system. A community of helpers and providers. How does it work? But first to understand this, there is no central account where all the system money flows to and where it can be easily stolen from. All the money is only on the banking accounts of the participants themselves. Register an account through link of a friend who invited you or to the official website of the Philippines, philippines-mmm.net/registration. Provide up from the amount of 200 pesos minimum to other participants. Your donation is recorded in the MMM system as the help points called Mabro. This Mabro grows weekly up to 20% to 100% per month. Your future need for financial help will be based on the Mabro you accumulated. Bonuses. First donation bonus. If your first donation is from $50, the corresponding amount in the Philippines pesos at the exchange rate the day of the donation to $499, you will get $20 credit in your Mabro and it will be frozen for 2 weeks. If you take the money before that, you lose your bonus. If your first donation is from $500 to $299, then you get $50 bonus. And if your first donation more than $3,000, you get $100 bonus. Referral bonus. You get 10% from all participants you invited, and there's no limitation on how many people you invited, but nobody is forced to do it. Inviting a new member to the community is your additional help and contribution to its development. Manager's bonus. In order to become manager, you will take a training course at MMM Managers School which will be posted in the news section in your personal office every after the last batch that graduated. You will create your own multi-level structures and get a bonus from each of the donation of every participant in their structures made. 5% for the first level of your referral, 3% on the second level, 1% on the third level, 0.5% on the fourth level, 0.6% 0.3% on the 5th level, and 0.1 on the 6th level, and so forth. See illustration. Lottery bonus. If you have any confirmed Marlboro credits, you are eligible to participate in the weekly lottery, which will be every Wednesday at 3 GMT time. You just have to pick 6 digits as your entry. The number could either be your choice, or you can have the system generate it for you. If you guess the first 2 digits correctly in the same order, you already have a prize won. Guess more correctly and your prize gets bigger. If you guess all 6 digits in the same order as what the system generated, you win the jackpot. All prizes are credited to your Marlboro balance. Letters of Happiness bonus. Every time you completed a Get Help or Sell Marlboro, you will be asked to create a My Letter of Happiness. If you touch a video showing your face, you get a 5% bonus based from your total Get Help amount. If you attach a video using without showing your face, you get 3% bonus based from your total Get Help amount. How money is being donated and how it is being get helped by participants. You have the options to choose. Create a Bitcoin account through blockchain.info and divert your money to Bitcoin, and you're ready to provide help by sending a participant which the system matches you that needs help. After that, upload all necessary proof to the system and the receiver will confirm that he/she received the payment. Same as process if you are getting help. Or you can send the money through local bank-to-bank account that you add in the personal account section in your personal office, and scan documents, then upload it to the system as proof of payment. Same as process if you are getting help. Note, whatever personal account that you are using in extending help will also the same account that the system will use for asking help. In closing, I would like to share a quote. It's better to look ahead and prepare than to look back and regret, by Jackie Joyner Kersee. Again, I repeat, it's better to look ahead and prepare than to look back and regret, by Jackie Joyner Kersee. So it's better to prepare now. Together, we can change the world. This is your presenter, Mr. Oliver Kalompang, from Philippines, with the following details below. Thank you so much, and more power, MMA.